everyone, welcome you again in the live session. So in this live session, as you all know, we are going to learn about Python, but this Python tutorial is for those are really very new to the Python and the students that wants to learn Python with fun way. Actually, we have one option in PictoBlocks that we can code for blocks as well. Python coding we can use so that we can take the first step of the text-based coding. So yeah, it's really helpful for all of you, and this tutorial is for those are the beginner in the text-based coding and the students those really want to try with text-based coding. So this is very easy. It's not tough at all. We will see how we can costume our characters, because what happens, I feel when I teach students, they are getting bored of using same characters in the library, in PictoBlocks library. So they were asking me, ma'am, how to, change them into a very good and interesting characters. So first we will change our character with a good costume or whatever we can do with the character. I will let you know how you can make changes with them, and then we will make a walking animation, a very basic walking animation with text-based coding, and the coding language, it is programming language, that is Python. So let me show you what we are going to make today. So I'm sharing my screen with all of you. I hope the screen is visible for all. As you all can see that this is Hazel. And I think most of you unable to identify, because Hazel wearing glasses, also wearing beautiful, colorful frock, and she's saying something. So how to make this costume, I'll let you know. Now, if I run this program, then what will happen? So I'll just click on run all. Because we are using Python coding, so we will use run all command instead of green flag click command, because we are running the text-based coding. So it's taking some time to compile the program. Just wait a while. As you all can see, Hazel is saying, I'm here to walk, and she is walking continuously. See? And this looks amazingly great because Hazel is walking with the same character. And many of you definitely think about that, how these frock and glasses walk together, right? So we will learn this concept as well. Don't worry, because you are here with us, and let's get started. First of all, I will share my screen again, and I will open the new tab in this only. So let's go to the new tab. And once you are to the new tab, you will write pictoblocks.ai. Make sure the spelling is correct. Once you will be typing this, then it will take some time to load your PictoBlocks. So it's coming like this. Now it will ask you, you're going with the block coding or Python coding. I will go with the Python coding. So as you all can see, the coding environment look like this. Here, you know very well, this is the stage area. This is your sprite. This is the section where you will write your text-based coding. As you can see in line number 1, there is something written, sprite is equals to sprite Toby. Let me explain you one thing. If you don't know about it, variables. What are variables? If I talk about variable, I can say that variable is a box that holds some value inside it. So I have a box, and my box name is sprite. I can give any name to my variable. So my box name is sprite. And inside the box, I'm having some data. And this data is sprite Toby. Actually, why I define this sprite is equals to sprite Toby, because everywhere when I need to call my character Toby, I have to write this long command of code, but I don't want that. So I create the variable sprite for my Toby, and I'm calling it as sprite Toby, right? So if you are taking any another character, what will happen? As you all know that we can take the character from this area. So I'll go here, I'll just click on this, and I will pick my favorite character as Hazel. You can pick any of your favorite character. It's taking some time to load, it's all right, but I know that I will pick Hazel. See, the characters are here. If you want to pick any other character, you can definitely go for it because you have a lot of character in your library, right? So I will pick my Hazel. Because I'm a girl, I like Hazel. You're a boy, you can definitely go with different character. The next step I will do is I'll just delete Toby's sprite. This is my Hazel, and I want a beautiful backdrop for my Hazel sprite. What I will do, I'll go to the backdrop section, and here I found some backdrops, and I will definitely take a backdrop, but I want some outdoor backdrop because I want my Hazel to walk and my Hazel will walk, right? So what I will do, I will take the character. I can take colorful city. I can take blue sky. I can take metro. So which one I will pick? I will pick this one as a backdrop. Okay, so now I have a backdrop. I can see that if I go to stage, if I go to backdrops, okay, my backdrop is not coming here. Yeah, it's coming here now. I will go to the block coding. It's asking me, do you want to go ahead with block coding? No, I will cancel it. I don't want it. This is my Hazel. And now I want my Hazel to dress. But see, my backdrop color is, mixing my Hazel color. So I will take blue sky as a backdrop. Yeah, this is good. Now what I'm going to do, I will change the size of the Hazel. So I will make it as 200 and press enter. See, here is my Hazel. As I already told you that I need to I need to change my Hazel costume because I'm getting very bored by seeing this. What I will do, I will come to the costumes. I will come over here and just click on it. When I go with the fashion, I have a lot of options for the fashion. What I will do, I want these glasses for my Hazel. So I'll just take the glasses. What I will do is I will select the glasses by dragging like this way. I will click on copy. I'll come to my Hazel sprite and I will paste it. So when you paste it, you can definitely hold the dot and just move it onto Hazel face and just drag it down and adjust the glasses according to Hazel's eyes. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, that's fine. Now I will copy the glasses again. I'll come over here and I'll paste it here. I will hold the plus sign and move it like this. Again, come to the another costume, click on the paste option, and it's exactly like this. Another option, click on paste, and it's done. Now, if I can see my Hazel character, a Hazel character has very wonderful and beautiful classes. Yeah, but I also want to change. Now I can delete this sprite because I have used that. I also want to change some dresses for my Hazel. I have this, I have this, I have this. So I will select this yellow one and I'm selecting this out. I'll just do the copy I will come here and I will do the paste part. What I will do is the same thing. I will hold the above dot. I will hold this dot. I will hold the plus sign over here and moving it here. Now I'm making it shorter according to Hazel, and it should be like this. And I guess this is perfect. Now I will take the hand of Hazel and I'll say that come front. But I don't want legs to front, so I'll just hold this only. I'll just take this and move it here on the legs. Okay, so I'll take this one and just click on this. I will make it backside. And yeah, this is done. So if I click this one and if I click this one, okay, that's fine. So yes, but I don't want this to come there. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Now we'll come over here. We'll come here. We'll select the dress and we'll copy the dress. Come here. We'll paste the dress. Oh no, I don't want this. I want to select the complete dress. So what we will do, I'll just move it here on the dress. I will copy the dress and I'm pasting it. Again, it's coming without outline. Why? Okay, let me select with this. No. Okay, I will select from here. So I'll do the copy. I will come here. I'll just select this. I don't want, I delete this. Even the outline, I want to delete. Okay, I want to paste it here again, and I'll simply do the step. And one more thing, before adjusting, I will make this thing to the front layer. I will make this hand also to be the front. So I'm just doing this to the front part. That's it. Now I will take this dress. We have to drag this completely like this and then hold the plus sign and move it. What is happening? Okay, wait. I'm just dragging it on the complete part, holding the plus sign, but no. Okay, let me undo this. Okay, yeah. So I'm just adjusting this. The selection is there. So we can do undo if you are facing any issue, any problem, you can do undo. Okay. And just holding the dots and move it here and here like this way. And I hope it's good. Yeah. If I come over here, I can make it front side like this. See. Now I can come over here. I will do the same thing. Let me check if I can select the complete dress. Yes, I can. I will copy the dress. I will come over here and paste it. Ooh, it's only outline. Then again, I will come to the original dress. I will copy that and paste it here. The same way, actually, you can costume your character. Means everything you need to do with the character, and this you will make it to the front side. It's done. And so yes, I want to select this complete dress. Okay, with bow as well. So let me select alt and this and wait, shift this, and yeah. I will do undo also because the selection has gone. Okay, now the selection is there. Because once the selection is gone, then you can face difficulty of selecting the things. Okay, this is done. And now the next part, I will do the same thing. We'll do the copy, we'll do the paste, and yeah, that's nice. So you can do it like this. And this should be quite short and like this. So you can dress up your character according to your choice. You'll just take this and make it to the front side. Just like this. Okay, now this is done. If I see 1, 2, 3, and 4, see. So with this, you can select this and change it to the front like this. Okay, that's cool. So my dress is like, my Hazel character is ready. And now what next? Next thing, I'll just cancel it out. As I told you that I am creating a variable that's sprite, and I always call my Hazel with sprite. Okay. Now the next thing is, see, if you have learned about pictoblocks, then you learn about that your character will walk and will wait sometime, then walk and wait sometime. So in Python, you have the library, you have actually a block to call the time. Okay, because see, in your house, if there is no watch, if there is no watch in your mobile phones or anywhere, then you cannot able to see the time. Exactly the same thing happening in the programming, right? So I will import. Import is one function that's in the computer. It's already feeded. So if I talk about a programming language, like in our language, we can understand English, Hindi, and you can understand, your languages, whatever you're talking with to each other. But in the programming, if you're learning programming, you need to understand computer language, programming language also. So this is a part of programming language. Import means you are taking something from the programming language. So what I'm taking time from the computer. Okay, that just give me a watch so that I can fit time in my program. So I'm just writing import time. I press enter. After that, what I will do, I'm saying sprite dot go to xy. As you all know, I guess go to xy means it's defining the position of your sprite. Right now, my sprite position is -19 and -34. I want my sprite to start from this position only. As you can see here, the x and the y. So we have learned lots of concept related to coordinates. You can see Dress Me Up video. If you haven't watched it, you can learn the concept of x and y coordinates. Coordinates actually telling us the position. As if I move my Hazel character here, see the value of x and the value of y is changed, right? If I'm moving it here, the value of x and y is changed again. So this x and y actually decide the character position where it has to be. Okay. Now what I will do is I will write -138 and -36. You can even comment down in the video what is your x and y value for the character and what character you took in your game. So let's see who will have funniest character in the game. I really want to see that. And what is the position? You can definitely comment down. Now, the next part is I will take sprite dot set rotation. Okay, what is set rotation? First of all, set rotation style is actually the style of my sprite. Like if my Hazel is going towards right side, and now if it touches the edge, it should come back to the left side. But who told my Hazel, who will tell my Hazel that Hazel, this time you will come towards the left side, this time you will go towards the right side? Okay, so this set rotation style is actually telling us you are moving left or right. That's it, nothing else. Okay, so what I want to set the style of my Hazel because she's moving horizontally. So for horizontally, I will give the rotation style as left, right. So I will write left, just from here, left, right. This is my set rotation style. And now I'll come here. Okay, after setting up the style, what is the next part? The next part is I want my Hazel, my character, to walk all the time in the game. Like my Hazel will walk and walk and walk and walk. Okay, so for that, what I need one loop. What actually a loop is? If I talk about loop, like suppose this is my loop and I am saying somebody, okay, clap for one time, clap for two times, and clap, 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 clap. So if I tell you, you can also follow the exercise. If I tell you clap, 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 it's very difficult to understand. And I have to speak again and again and again and again, right? But if I'm saying clap forever, what you will do? You can clap forever in just one command. Okay. If I'm saying clap for 2 times, clap for 3 times, clap for 4 times, so you know that how many times you need to clap. Loops works exactly like this. Okay. Like if you're working with a loop, it means some command is inside the loop and that loop will run the command for all the time. You don't need to write the step again. So that's what I'm going to write here because I want my Hazel character to walk forever, for all the time, right? So what I will do is while one, I'm writing while one, it means I am writing while loop. One is a number. It's indicate that my while loop will run forever, means my loop will run forever. So it's a forever loop actually. Just understand this, while one is a forever loop, that's going to happen for all the time. Okay, now what I want that my Hazel will do for all the time after starting the game, I want my Hazel will move all the time. How to call Hazel? I will call Hazel with name Sprite. So the same thing I'm doing. Sprite dot move and number of steps you have to give for your character to move it. I'm giving 10 steps. My sprite will move 10 steps. Okay, so why I leave this space here? See, this space is very important and this we called indentation. It actually indicates that this line of command is inside the loop. Okay, that's it. If you're not making a space, it will give you error. Your code will not run. That's why text-based coding, you have to make sure about it that you will be writing in a format, in a proper format. Okay, so do write it exactly like this way. Now, the next part is you will take sprite dot bounce on edge. This thing she'll do forever. So this is actually the block that is calling sprite bounce. Bounce means something is touch the edge and will come back, bounce back. Okay, that's what is happening here. Now the next part is sprite dot next costume. Next costume means, of course, I told you, if I go to costume, if I change the costume, it looks like that my sprite is walking, and the same concept we called as animation, right? So if I click, costume is going to change. If she's moving also with some steps, it look like that my character is moving. That's what is happening in animated movies, right? So, and even the cartoons, this happens. That's why I'm saying my sprite that, okay, sprite, just change the next costume. And now I will add the time, because see, if you're not adding the time, your sprite will change it rapidly and it's looking very bad. Okay, so this is done. Now let me check my code, how it is working. Woohoo! see the animation, and I really like that. If I make it on full screen, my Hazel is walking and walking and walking and walking and walking and walking, and she is walking so nicely. Wow. But I want to add some dialogues here. Okay. So if you want to add some dialogues, what you're going to do? You will come over here, press the space key. I will write sprite dot say. Okay. What she's going to say? She will say, hi, I am Hazel. Okay. And the next thing, sprite dot say. Actually, here you will put comma and put 2 at this is the time. Okay. So you put the dialogue and you put some time also, like for 2 seconds, your Hazel will say. Now the next dialogue she will say, I come here to walk. Can you walk with me? Okay. And this dialogue also she's saying for 2 seconds, and then we'll start walking. Let's see again. See, she's saying, hi, I'm Hazel. I come here to walk. Can you walk with me? And start walking. Wow, this is amazing. You can even add some other character instead of Hazel. You can add the yellow color hat I saw there. And believe me, your Hazel will look really good. So everyone, I hope this tutorial is really important and informative for you. I really want to see your characters, and please do write in the comment box which character you are taking and which costume you are taking for the character. So I will definitely appreciate your efforts. And whenever you have done with the game and everything, we have our Instagram channel. You can go there and you can send us the pictures. As I told you from the beginning, like if you're sending us the pictures, maybe you will get something very exciting and interesting gifts. So let's over the wait and send us the pictures quickly. We will tag your personal name on our channel on Instagram. Yeah, so everyone, I hope you like this video. And if you wish to take, if you really want to start with the text-based coding, you can definitely start with PictoBlocks, Python coding, because it's really helpful. It's really the easiest way to understand the concept. And don't wait, just go for it. We have our website. You can definitely contact us and get more information about the courses. Okay, everyone. Bye-bye.